Attention now. And today, and really for the next few days, you are working on your math lab final exam project. So to kind of recap what I first introduced you to yesterday, you are making a final exam review game over one of these topics. You signed up for it on a Google form, and you also signed up for your partner. So I put those results here. I know there's kind of quite a bit of people absent, but you can still get started even without your partner. Because you guys are each responsible for having a completed rough draft. But between the two of you have to have 15 questions. So when you turn in your rough draft, you should each have 15 questions. You cannot plagiarize. If you find the structure that you like, you need to change the numbers and change the answers. And then it just has to be 15 math related questions. So that could include vocabulary, that could include what else? You know, actual problems that you need to work out, but that's what you need to include. So those dates are in the slides in case you need reminders. By the end of class on Thursday, you want to have your rough draft done, and I'll pass out the papers for you to do your rough draft on. But yeah, then the final draft would be due by Monday, and that would be just one final draft between the two of you, whatever game you decided to make. All right, so that's what you're doing today. If you have questions, feel free. If maybe you need to resubmit like a binder check, feel free. I imagine that you would be working diligently on this the whole time. So I don't think I would see anyone like playing games or anything like that. But yeah, so here's the list of the pairs and the topic worked on. I did my best to accommodate who you asked for, but there was no guarantees. So here's that list. Look where it says period 2. You'll notice like a couple groups of 3, and I can explain why to those people, but there you go. Come and see. And this is in Schoology if you forget what your topic was. It's in the slides. But you with your partner, go ahead, sit together. I'll give you each something to do your rough draft with and get started. Any questions? Okay.